Moلینا, national president of the Communist Party of Australia, has said that China's modernization is based on the development in the interest of its people and the people of the world, noting that China is promoting peace and cooperation in international affairs.
With China, for example, there are a different type of development that I think has been successful. It's not possible without the hearts and minds of the people. I believe there is a great support from the people to the initiatives from the Communist Party of China and its leadership. And yes, China's modernization is based on development in the interest of its people and the people of the world. In international affairs, also promoting peace, cooperation, mutual respect, and development in a shared future.